A bonding heart is a fabric heart, typically made out of 100% cotton flannel. The heart is given to the parents to get their scent, and then it's left with the baby who's in the NICU. So to make these, you're going to need the pattern and some 100% cotton flannel. This is a very quick project. It could be sewn up very quickly. It would also be a great project if you're teaching someone how to sew. You could make up a bunch and donate them to your local hospital. So I'm going to take my cotton flannel. I'm just going to fold it right sides together. I'm going to trace around the heart, cut it out, and sew it. I'm going to take this over to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew, leaving a small space so I can flip it right side out. Okay, here's the heart all sewn. Now I'm going to use my shears to trim the edges and flip it right side out. While you're flipping it right side out, just use your finger or the eraser tip of a pencil to push out these curves. Okay, so now I have to close the hole. I'm just gonna fold these pieces in, the seam allowance. Now I'm gonna sew all the way around the outside to close the hole, and it'll add a little border to the heart. It'll be about 1/8, 1/4 of an inch. Just make sure that you catch that hole so that it's shut, and then your heart will be done. So let me do that now. Okay, here's the sewn heart. I'm going to cut off these loose threads. All right, there it is. That was so fast, super easy. Well, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button.